Hello everyone, my name is Ali Rezaei and I'm going to talk about the effect of coronary artery disease on human normal appearing white matter. Coronary artery disease is the most common form of cardiovascular diseases in which heart cannot pump enough blood to the organs, especially the brain. And we know that people with coronary artery disease are more likely to develop dementia. So something is going on in their brain. And we know that even before dementia, people with coronary artery disease can have issues in verbal memory and executive functions such as planning. Brain white matter is the home of neurons connections, and these connection lines have myelin sheaths to ensure proper information transfer between different brain regions. Less blood flow in the brain can cause damages to myelin called white matter lesions, but it is possible that even in the white matter that doesn't have any lesions, there are some changes in the structure that could affect cognition. People with coronary artery disease are more likely to have chronic inflammation in the brain, and inflammation in the brain can cause iron deposits, so we need imaging techniques sensitive to myelin and iron. In this study, we had a group of coronary artery disease patients and healthy controls. Both groups had normal cognitive function. Then they did cognitive tests on memory and executive functions, and we used advanced MRI scans that are more sensitive to iron, which is quantitative susceptibility mapping, and more sensitive to myelin, which is R1 relaxometry in white matter. Our results show that people with coronary artery disease have higher susceptibility and therefore more iron depositions in their brain than healthy controls. And more iron, which seen as higher susceptibility in the right side figures, is related to weaker memory. And people with coronary artery disease have lower R1 values, which reflects less myelin than healthy people. And this lower myelin, seen as lower R1 in the right side figure, is associated with weaker executive function. To summarize, people with coronary artery disease, even though they don't have any cognitive issues, their normal appearing white matter has less myelin than healthy people, and they have no inflammation in these regions. Together, these two affect multiple aspects of cognition. Therefore, interventions that can target these issues could be helpful, such as doing exercise, which we will study in the future.